Good evening. This is STV News. Regarding immigration restrictions due to the spread of the new coronavirus infection, the government has begun to make adjustments to allow ultra-short-term business travelers who stay within 3 days for business purposes to enter the country with conditions such as virus testing. The target is about 30 countries per regions, and it is expected to start in November. Traditionally, the resumption of business traffic has been agreed with a specific country on a reciprocal basis, but it is also accepted if the partner country does not allow Japanese to enter the country. A government official revealed on the 22nd, measures in line with the Kan administration's policy of increasing the entry of foreigners in order to rebuild the economy. The government is seeking to hold the Tokyo Olympics and Paralympics next year with spectators, and also aims to use the entry permit for ultra-short-term business travelers as a stepping stone for accepting foreigners for purposes other than business purposes. It was revealed on the 22nd that Japan Airlines subsidiary Zip Air Tokyo, Narita City, Chiba Prefecture, a low-cost carrier LCC, has decided to expand its recruitment. About 100 people will be hired, mainly flight attendants who will retire from LCC Jetstar Japan, which is 50% owned by Japan Airlines. The aim is to secure human resources for new routes. The aviation industry has been exhausted due to the prolonged epidemic of the new coronavirus, and it can be said that this is an unusual decision. Zip Air was established in 2018. The passenger flight was scheduled to go into service in May this year, but it was postponed due to the expansion of the new corona and started as a cargo-only flight. Passenger flights have begun on the Narita-Seoul route earlier this month. Meanwhile, on the 22nd, the National Police Agency decided to abolish the seal of the applicant for all 315 administrative procedures related to the police, such as applying for a road permit and garage certificate. It is expected that the National Public Safety Commission rules will be revised by the end of the year, and applications will be accepted from the beginning of the year without a seal. According to the agency, there are about 7.9 million car garage certification applications annually, and about 3.6 million road permit applications. Other procedures that require a seal include permission to own a hunting rifle and certification of security. The agency will also consider abolishing the seal for internal procedures, such as application for travel expenses. Canon will release the EOS Keys M2 mirrorless camera for beginners in late November. The performance of the function to detect the pupil and focus has been improved. Even if the subject is moving, you can take a picture with the eyes in focus. Videos shot in portrait orientation can be automatically played back in portrait orientation on smartphones, etc., making it easy to post to Internet Exchange Sites or SNS. The reference price is 84,700 yen for the body only. In sports, 15 minutes in the second half of 1-0, Liverpool coach Klopp has boldly replaced the 3 main players on the front line, including Salah, who had begun to get tired of playing in the rain. Minamino entered the center of the 3 tops consisting of Shaqiri and Jota and showed a solid presence on the highest stage in Europe. In the defensive, he continued to press and handled the ball accurately when attacking. The middle shot in the 25th minute of the second half was daring, but the course was a little sweet and unfortunately, it was played by the goalkeeper. An accurate cross from the left creates 2 chances. Klopp said Taki Minamino appeared everywhere like a machine. The defense was terrific and the attack with Jota was good. I praised him in a TV interview. Minamino himself knows that he will not threaten his main position in terms of points. I hope I can become a player who can use it in important games by leaving results with goals and assists. He said, I want to continue playing like this day and connect it to the result next time. That's all for today. See you tomorrow for another news update.